Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Take a ride in the 2023 Golf R. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, stability control, sport suspension, braking assist, power brakes, regenerative braking system, traction control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display, child safety locks.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.